What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today we're going to be reviewing a generic massage gun. They've been all over my newsfeed. I'm sure they've been all over your newsfeed. Today we're going to be taking a look at them and going into an in-depth review, showing you how they work, as well as what each attachment is for. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to mention that the giveaway is still going on. We are giving away this month a solar camera. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Let's get started. Okay, so starting out, this is what comes inside the box that you order. So you open up this little mini case, and this is what you get. So right there, before we get to the main item, which is the gun, we're going to go over the attachments. This first attachment right here, they call it the air cushion head. It is pretty squeezable. Then this one is called a pot type head. This is called a flathead. This is called a U-shaped head. This is obviously called a ball head. Finally, you got the cylinder head. Now, this is the actual massage gun where you can attach any of these attachments to it. And you get the charger for it right here. And the instruction manual right here. Okay, so now we're going to go over the individual attachments. There are 6 of them, and I just want to show you guys what they're for and what they do. So starting with this one, this is, again, like we mentioned in the introduction, this is called the ball head attachment, and this one is suitable for massaging muscles such as your thighs, your back, your buttock. So this is ideal for those parts of the body. Next is the U-shape attachment. Now this is designed more for the neck, the spine, and the Achilles tendon. Okay, so now this is the flathead attachment. Now this is suitable for relaxing and shaping various muscles throughout your body. This is the cylinder head, and this is suitable for deep tissue massages, such as into places like your palms or your soles. Okay, so this is called the pot type attachment, and this is suitable for sensitive tissues and joints. Finally, there is the air cushion attachment, and that's because there is air in it. And this attachment is suitable for sensitive muscles. So this one is for sensitive joints and tissues. This one is for sensitive muscles. And then again, because this is for muscles, it has that air cushion, so it's not too hard on your muscles. I just want to also add that that first attachment we looked at, which is the ball head attachment, is made out of a foam material, while the others have a plastic material to them. Now, let's talk about the massage gun itself. Right here is your actual gun. As you can see, we attached the ball head attachment to it. It's very easy to put in and out. You just pull out right here, and then push back in. Now, the gun will give you an indication once it's put in. So when you push it in, you're going to feel a vibration from the gun. Now, to start it off, you go down here. There's going to be an off and on switch. And then right here, there's the charging port. This is what you use to connect the cable that's included with the gun to charge it. You're going to turn it on. This light here indicates the battery level. And another way you can find out about the battery is right here. So this part, this section of the back of the gun, which says 78, is the battery percentage. So there's 78% remaining battery life. Now, for you to start it, press on the power button. It starts it at the first level, right here. So this is level 1, right here. Now this can go up to 30. So now I'm going to press on this plus button to increase. We're at 4 or 5. I'm going to increase it all the way to 30. Now, you see how it's at 30? And see how the battery is going down dramatically because you're using it at max power. It was at 78, now it's at 74. So we can increase that back down. This is at 15, halfway. And then you can bring it down to 1, or you can just turn it off by pressing the power button in the middle. And then when you're done, you can pull the attachment out. You can just put it away and then turn it off right here. Okay, we just wanted to show you to plug in the charger. This is where it is. Right down here. And then you just got to connect this to a wall outlet and it's charging. Now, this massage gun actually features a 2000 mAh lithium battery, and it is recommended that you charge it for approximately 3 hours to get 6 hours of usage from it. Now, the manufacturer does not indicate those 6 hours that it's going to last using what speed. So if you use it at the maximum of the 30 speed, you might not get, the full 6 hours. As you can see, when we were using it, when we were using it at 30, that's max power. So the battery might decrease very quickly rather than if you're using it at 15. So we recommend that if you are trying to get maximum battery life out of it, you use it at 5, 10, 15 at the most. If you're using it anything beyond that, expect that the battery will decrease much more quickly than 6 hours. So now I'm gonna show you guys my favorite power level that I like to use on myself when I need to use it on my arm, preferably because my arm does hurt from time to time. So my preferred attachment that I like to use is the power head attachment, and it's already turned on, as you can see. Now we're gonna set it to 10 because I do prefer 10. As you can see, it's set on 10. One thing I will mention is that even at 10, not even 30, if you do place it in the wrong part of your body, it will hurt. So make sure wherever you're placing it, just choose the power level carefully and make sure that you're not placing it in a place that's very sensitive to pain or discomfort. Otherwise, you're not gonna enjoy its benefits. But 10 is my preferred favorite level because it's not very powerful, yet it's not very soft or very weak, you know, level. So on my arm, I like it a lot. You can push in the gun a little bit more in the areas that you do have pain more deeper than others. There you have it. Okay, so here are my final thoughts on the massage gun. Now, this retails on Amazon for $150. There's currently a promotion from the manufacturer to get $10 off, so you can purchase it now for $140. For the price point, I think it's very nice. It's not that bad. I mean, this actually replicates the theragun, which goes for about $400. So you're paying almost a third of the price. And honestly, this works very well. Initially, I purchased this for my father. My father has very bad back pain, and this was his preferred attachment, the ball head attachment, and it actually helps a lot with the back pain. As for me, this is also my favorite attachment because it's nice. It's not very hard. With me, the plastic ones are just very, very tough on you. Very tough on your muscles, your joints, your tissues. It's just too tough. So I do like the ball head attachment the most, as does my father. I like it for my arm. My father uses it for his back. I mean, we all share this thing. This thing is a lifesaver. So as far as my recommendation for it, I definitely do recommend it if you're suffering from, you know, joint pain, back pain. This can be very helpful alternative, or if you need a massage at the end of the day after a long day of you sitting behind the desk, this can be very nice, helpful little addition to helping you with any pain you may have. Furthermore, I just want to say that if you are interested in purchasing it, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below to give you a link to the Amazon listing, as well as I'm also going to leave a link to the giveaway. We're running a giveaway, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, for the entire month of January for you to win a solar camera. So if you haven't entered the giveaway, please go enter the giveaway. You will be supporting us a lot. Share your feedback in the comment section below about how we did. We are very appreciative of everyone's support and feedback that they give us. So if you did enjoy the video, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you next week. Take care, guys.